All right, Jim here with a video showing the relationship between the blog, which you see on screen, and Google Earth. The scene here is if you were just to open the blog, the Canal CSBG or CSBG canal.blogspot.com. Open it up, you see all of, whoops, here we go. Not working very well. There we go. You see all of the posts, one after the other. Now you can click on individual ones. For example, the Muzzy French one, and you have an opportunity to post there, right down here, and then you can click on Muzzy if you want, and it'll take you to the YouTube. You can maximize the screen and start the broadcast. You can hear a little music background. Something's coming. Okay, here's Muzzy. We can pause here. Get out of the full screen. Here we go. And we can go back to our individual blog. Okay, now on the right you can see all of the postings. This is the archive of the postings, and go down to accessing Google Earth right here, one of the first posts, and then take a look here. This describes how to use Google Earth. The trick is that there are place marks showing where we'll be in France. They're placed every day, so you can see exactly where you'll be every day. There are also rides and routes posted. Now, the idea is to get them in Google Earth, and then you have a little virtual terrain so you can see exactly where you'll be. But how to do that? Okay, there's a link here. I put a set of place marks here, it says. Well, I mean, zeroing in right here. Click it, and it shows you Canal now, right over here. That's the updated bundle of place marks and other interesting things right here. So you want to save that. You save it. Now what's happening here, it's on my Windows 7 machine, it's now continuing to show the Canal Now KMZ in the left-hand corner. Click on that or double click on that, and it opens Google Earth, and now you're going to this place in Google Earth. And now you can see the set of things. You'll see sixth night in Omp, third night Carcassonne, and so on. These are the kilometer readings to the right. All right, so we want to move around in this virtual terrain. Take a look over here on the left, and you'll see under temporary places Canal marks revision 7 in this instance. That's the current Canal Now bundle with a little check mark by it. Now if you uncheck that, boom, disappears. Check it, it appears. This is the beauty of layers, because you can individually click them. Here's day 1, or getting boats at the Great Baston Castle Laundry, and so on. But now how to use this? Well, for example, you could notice here there's the Castle N, Castle Nadre to Carcassonne toe only, the towpath only. That is a path, and you see those three little dots. That indicates that it's a path. Highlight it, go down here, you see the same three little dots. Now this enables you to fly that route. So here you're flying in to the Great Basin here on the left at Carcassonne, and now you're beginning to fly the towpath route from Carcassonne, from Castelnaudary. That's where we are, to Carcassonne. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, now you notice down here at the bottom of your screen, this is your control panel. You can stop at any point, and you can go left and right, look up and down. You can also zero in. You can move out in Google Earth. Very, very nice. Now you can also exit right here, exit by the little X from the tour. You can do other things. You can, for example, I'm looking on the left side here. This is the place that we get boats at the Great Basin in Castelnaudary, so we can fly there. We can look at the medieval castle, not here, but in Carcassonne. By again double-clicking on it, we fly directly from Castelnaudary over here to the castle, which is rendered in 3D. You can see a restaurant pick here. You can see a second guest house here. And you, of course, can move around in this territory, this terrain. You can back up a little bit, and you can see that's where we are on the third night. And we can click on that place mark and fly directly to the third night in Carcassonne. It's the third night on the tour of Carcassonne. And you can see the path coming in right to the place that it needs to be. Okay, let's give you a general idea of why Google Earth is a good place to go to, even though you have a lot of stuff on the website. Now, before you leave, notice that this is in temporary places, all the way down, all the way up on the left. We're looking on the left. This is the expanded folder. I want you to see. Yeah, there we are. Under temporary places right here. So you want to save this Castle Marks Revision 7, or Canal Marks Revision 7 KMZ file by right-clicking it and clicking on Save to My Places. Left-click to save to My Places. Okay? Now I've already saved it, so I'm not saving it here, but that's an important thing to do. Then you'll be able to come back and find the place marks the next time you open Google Earth. Okay, that's all for now.